they're going to kill me. Those who didn't turn up today, I told everyone, yeah, I'll record completely. Okay, yeah. Sorry.
Eshaha mama kandukaha.
Very good. Kandukaha. It's a
Kandukaha.
short. Eshaha mama kandukaha. Very good. Next, Bana.
Esha mama duravani.
Bahu samichinam. Esha mama duravani. And Usha Mataji, that is water.
Tat jalam.
Bahu samichinam. Excellent. So has everyone got this? So this is a message to all those people who haven't attended class today. I'm really sorry, I forgot to record. But all we did was basically give out the answers, and I'll be sending out the answers to everyone. So hopefully shouldn't be an issue. The only thing now is, shall we start with something new today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lakshmi Mataji,
Haji.
I can see the recording here and it says 31 minutes and 47 seconds. So you must have started that.
No, I just started it now. And this 2 hours is because the video, this call has been on for 2 hours.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Now, before we get started, shall we just do a quick exercise? So I'm going to ask you some words, okay? And I want you to tell me, basically translate them for me, okay? Not translate them. What do I want you to do? I want you to say, I'll tell you the word and I'll say this, for instance, Gayika. And you have to tell me what is this for Gayika. Okay. So for instance, this Gayika. Gayika is
Feminine.
Feminine.
So this would be
Esha.
Ah, very good. Okay, so you get it? Okay, very good. Now, Dutah, that.
Saha.
Very good. Sah, Dutah. Now, I want you all to do your pointing. And okay, another reason I need you to do the pointing is because, remember I was talking about memory, muscle memory? How many of you play an instrument? Any instrument? Okay, so if you play an instrument, you will know that sometimes you forget the tune, but your fingers don't forget the tune, right? Right? That is muscle memory. Which means once you actually get this, so you go this and you know it is saha or sa or tat. Okay? Even if you forget the word, the moment you do that, the word will come out. So practice, practice, practice with action. Okay? Okay, so let's get started again. Purushaha, he, that.
Saha.
Saha Purushaha, very good. This mala.
Sorry?
This mala.
Esha.
Mala.
Very good. Esha mala. That putri.
Sha.
Putri.
Sa
Putri.
putri. Very good. That vastram.
Tat
Vastram.
Very good. Tat vastram. Okay. This talaha. Lock. Talaha.
Eshaha.
Eshaha talaha.
Esha.
Swargaha.
Saha.
Saha.
Saha swargaha. Saha swargaha. That gajaha.
Saha. Garjaha.
Very good. That nauka.
Sa
Nauka.
Sa
Very
nauka.
good. This lekhika.
What does that mean?
Lekhika.
Esha
Esha
Isha.
Esha
Lekhika.
lekhika. That kartari.
Sa
Sa kartari.
Sa kartari. This nartaki.
Esha
Esha
Isha.
nartaki.
This hridayam.
Etat hrudayam.
Etat
Hridayam.
Hrudayam.
Etat
Etat
hridayam.
Hrudayam.
Use your hands. Use your hands. Otherwise, you're going to keep getting it wrong. This alukam.
Etat alukam.
Very good. That vyajanam.
Tat
Vyajanam.
vyajanam.
Very
Vyajanam.
good. That aranyam.
Tat aranyam.
That pustika.
Sa
Sa
Pustika.
Pustika.
Very good. This makaraha.
Esha.
Esha
Makaraka.
makaraha.
No, Esha.
Esha.
Makaraka. Esha.
Esha Makara.
Eshaha
Esha. Makaraka.
makaraha. Okay. Is that clear? Okay. That is, this is. Now today we are going to learn how to ask a question which is a closed question. You know what are closed questions? Closed questions are questions where the answer is just yes or no. Okay. So what we are essentially going to be doing is converting a statement, this is a boy, into, is this a boy? That is all we are going to do. Okay. Eshaha balakah. What does eshaha balakah mean?
This is a boy.
This is a boy.
Esha
Eshaha balakah. Va. Is this a boy? This is a boy. What? Is what we're saying. ये लड़का है क्या? ये लड़का है. ये लड़का है क्या? Is this a boy? एषः बालकः वा?
Wow.
Va. All we do is add va at the end.
How do you spell Mataji?
V, A with the diacritic on top. So the long A. Va. Okay. So, question. If I want to convert this into a question, she is a girl. How would you say that? She is a girl is what?
Sa balika
Saba.
Balika. How will you convert that to a question? Is this a girl?
Sa balika aba
Huh. So actually, sa would mean that. Is that a girl? Sa balika va. Is this a girl?
Esha
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 balika
Balika Wa.
va. Very good. Okay. He is a donkey. Saha gardabah. Now, is he a donkey? How will you say it?
Saha gardabah va
Saha gardabah va. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen now and we can look at some of the sentences here. Okay. Where are we? Okay. So we'll come back to that. Okay. Saha balakah. He is a boy. Is he a boy? Saha balakah va. Esha suchi. This is a needle. This. Esha chi. But you don't say she is a needle. You say this is a needle.
I am not able to
Esha.
see your notes. Only I am seeing helping.
Sorry, Prabhuji, it's your screen
I see.
setup.
Okay.
Esha Shuchi Va. Is this a needle? That is your house. Tat Bhavatah Graham. Is that your house? Tat Bhavatah Graham Va. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. And you answer yes. You say
Um,
Repeat. Nod your head.
Um,
And if it is not clear, you go na.
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 No. No.
Na. Repeat. Na. Okay. Na. Okay. So how do you answer? Esha Chiva. Can you turn your mics off, please? Thank you. Esha Suchiva is the question. Is this a needle? Yes, this is a needle. Esha Suchi. Okay. Saha Balakaha Va. Is he a boy? No, he is not a boy. He is a girl. So, na saha balakaha na. Remember, there are two nas. Why two nas? No, he is not a boy. So there are two, right? No and not. So both of them come up, okay? Na saha balakaha na. Sa balika. Okay. Okay. Is that your house? Tat bhavatah graham va. Na. Tat mama graham na. Is that clear? Okay. Now, I'm going to ask some questions and I want you, and I'll tell you the answer. I just want you to convert it into an answer and tell me. Okay. So I'm going to stop sharing first. Okay. I'm asking a question. How do I ask? Is that an elephant? Elephant is gajaha. Put up your hand. Yes, Vandana Mataji. Your mic is off.
Yeah. Sa gajah va.
Saha gajaha va. Very good. And the answer is no. How will you say that?
Na. Na.
Saha
Saha
gajaha na.
gajah na.
Excellent. Okay. Is she? She's close by. Abala. Is she a woman? Abala. Is she a bala? How will you say that?
Esha abalava.
Very good. Esha abalava.
Lava.
You have to ask as a question, okay? You can't say it as a statement. Yeah. Esha abalava.
Abalava.
Answer is yes.
Am.
How do you say that?
Yesha abala.
Abala.
Good. Very good. Esha abala.
Abala.
Okay. Esha duravani va.
Sa duravani.
Bahu samichinam. Very impressive. Sa duravani. That is because this is not close to you. It is with me. Okay. Excellent job. Sa Duravani. Okay. Esha Kupiva. Is this a bottle? It's a cup.
Na.
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 Esha Kupin.
Na.
Will it be
Na.
Esha? Will it be, because it's far away from you, right?
Sa.
Sa
Kupi. Na.
Na.
Ha.
Na.
Ha.
This
This
is
is
not
Chashakaha. Means cup.
Saha. Chashakah.
Whoa, brilliant. Saha Chashakaha. Okay. Brilliant. Jalam. Etat jalam va.
this is this one.
Tat. Jalam.
Tat jalam.
Yes. Tat jalam. Is this clear to everybody? Yeah? Any questions? Any doubts here? Okay. Now we already learned another method of asking questions, right? Who is he? Saha, kaha. Yeah? So we'll just go through that one more time. I'm just sharing my screen again. So we already know this method of asking questions. Who is he? Saha, kaha, or eshaha, kaha. Who is she? Sa, ka, esha, ka. What is that? Tat, kim, etat, kim. Yeah. So that is one way of asking questions. What is this? What is that? And the other, or who is this? Who is that? Depending on whether it's a person or a thing. Yeah. The second way is to ask a closed question. Is this so and so? Is that so and so? And then answer yes would be and no is no. Is that clear to everybody? Any questions? Okay. Now, just for your information, va also means or. Okay. So don't worry too much about this. It is there in one of the sentences at the end. Is this your dog or mine? So va, when we ask as or, it will come twice. Saha shunakaha bhavataha va mama va. Is it your or is it mine? So the is it. Is it your or is it mine? Similarly, is this my daughter or not? Esha mama putri va na va. This is when the daughter is getting into trouble, right? Most parents have this question. Is this my daughter or not? Esha mama putri va na va. Now this is the question which Dronacharya asked Yudhishthira in Mahabharata. Mama putraha ahatam va hatam va. Hatam means killed.
Killed.
Okay. Is my son not killed or killed?
Oh.
Mama putraha ahatam va hatam va. Okay. In the Bhagavad Gita 18:15, we have this. Shariravan manobhiryat karma prarabhate naraha nyayam va viparitam va Panchaite tasya hetavah. Nyayam means whatever is correct. Viparitam means whatever is wrong. Whatever is right or wrong, whatever action, right or wrong, is performed by a man, a human being, through sharira, body, vak, speech, manaha, by the mind. So by body, speech, or mind, is carried out through these five, and there is a list of 5 causes. Okay, nyayam va, viparitam va. Whatever good or whatever bad. Okay, so va, when you see va twice, then you know that it's an option.
Yeah.
Okay, but when you get a question, when you get something, a statement ending in va, then you know it's a question. Okay.
Yeah.
So your homework is again fairly simple. It's just translating some sentences, and they're very simple sentences. It's basically building on what we have already learned last week. Okay. Do you have any questions for me? Anything that you don't understand? Anything you want me to go over again?
Can Mataji, Hare
Yes.
Krishna, can you please go through again, just like asking earlier the questions like that just now about the wa, and can we
Okay.
do more exercises, please?
Yes, we can do more exercises.
Thank you.
But
Since we have
any
since we have 10
questions
minutes.
here in understanding so far? No.
I'm only 70%. Sorry, Mataji.
Okay, never mind. What shall I then stop sharing my screen?
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Now, okay, we are going to use a mix of questions now, okay? Shatika means sari. Is this a sari? How will you translate that?
Isha.
Esha, Shatika,
Va.
Va. Very good. Esha, Shatika, Va. What is your answer?
No. No.
Na.
Tat.
Na is.
Sa. Shatika. No.
Yutakam.
Sa. Yutakam.
Sa yutakam va.
Oh no. Saha yutakam. No.
Tat yuk.
Yutakam.
Tat yutakam. One of them has to be right, I know. We have only 3 options.
It's yutakam, so it should be etat or tat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay. Translate this for me. Duravani. What is this? Translate, what is this?
Sa.
Esha.
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 What is this? Esha.
Esha. Duravat.
Okay.
Duraka. Whatever.
No. Don't jump. Okay, just translate this sentence for me. What is this? Translate, what is this?
Esha.
Esha. Ka. Very good. Okay. Now give me the answer. That is a phone.
Duravat.
Tat dur.
Sa the Duravani.
Duravani. Excellent. Okay. Pustakam. What is this?
Esaha kaha.
Pustakam.
Etat.
Very good.
Etat
Etat what? What is the question?
What is this? You asked what is this? Etat kit.
Ka pustakam.
Etat what?
What is
That
this?
Tat push.
Yo, tell me the
Etat
question.
kim,
Tat.
Very
That
good.
kim.
etat kim.
Tat pushtakam.
Tat pustakam. Okay, answer is easy. Prabhuji, I can't hear you. Your mic is off.
Here we cannot use va,
Kim already means what?
correct? But va also question, no?
Va, what does va mean?
Optional.
Va,
it?
va is one is question, the other one is are.
So, va basically means question mark. Correct? This is a phone. This is a Duravani. When you have that question, that is va. Okay. Now, Esha ka means what is this?
That this.
Okay. What? The question is what? What is already a question. So there is no need for a va behind it. Okay. So this is like in Tamil, Prabhuji, we say iduva. We say that, right? Iduva. Abdina kennadu. Is it this?
This is.
Correct? Iduva. Do we say even yaruva? Cholluoma. Ah. That's the difference. Okay. So, who is this versus is this so and so? The two questions are very different. Who is this is an open question. The answer can be anything. But when you say, is this so and so, the answer is either yes or no. So in that case, you use va as the question. Does that make sense? Okay. Ghati.
Feminine.
Etat jalam va.
No.
No.
Sa ghati.
Na sa jalam na tat jalam na
No.
sa ghati. So you have to give the full answer, okay?
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Lekhani. Lekhani, pen. Esha ankani va. Is this a pen? Pen. This is pen. Lekhani.
Oh,
Lekhani.
Esha ankani va.
Na.
Yes.
Esha ankani na. Lekhani.
Now, is it Esha for you?
No, it's sa.
Saha.
Sa. Sahana. Sa.
Sa.
Who said Saha?
I said by
No.
I said.
Yeah.
Sa
Yeah.
no. Sa ankani no. Sa lekhani.
Bahu samichina. Okay. Now I understand. You know, when you're learning this, your brain does flip. You know, and it's actually quite strange, you know, because sometimes you're thinking one thing, you know it perfectly, and all of a sudden your brain just decides, nah, can't bother working. Isn't it? And it just shuts down and it's like blank. So
Very true.
don't worry when that happens. Just watch the video as much as possible. Have it running in the background, because again, it's not about watching. I don't want you actually watching it. I want you hearing it.
Yeah.
Okay? So even if it's running in the background, that's really good. Okay. I want to ask, who is he and he's far away?
Who is
Who?
Ye,
Sah.
sa.
Sah.
Very good. Who is he? He is far away.
Saha ka. That is who is he.
Saha. Kaha.
Saha ka.
Saha kaha.
Very good. Saha.
Kaha.
Kaha. Because he's far away. Okay.
Yep.
Again, use your hands. Use your hands. Use your hands as much as possible. Use your hands. Okay. Saha. Kaha. Okay.
Saha kaha.
Who is she? She's close to me.
Yesha.
Mm.
E.
Yesha.
Esha kaha.
Yesha ka.
Esha ka.
Esha.
Ka.
Ka.
Very good.
Esha.
Esha. Ka.
Ka.
What is this close to me? What is this?
Yesha ka.
I can read your lips, Socrates. You're right. Etat kim. Etat kim. That's right. Okay. Who is she? She's far away.
Sa ka.
Sa ka. Very good. Very good. Okay. What is that? Far away.
Tatkin.
Tat.
Ka.
Kim.
Kim.
Tat kim.
Tat kim.
Sorry.
The flip. Tat kim. Okay. I want to say that is netram.
Tat.
Netram.
Very good.
Tat.
Tat
Netram.
netram. Okay. I want to say that is mayura, masculine.
That is sa.
Saha.
Saha.
Mayuraha.
Brilliant. Saha mayura. Okay. I want to say this is money. Dhana. Neuter.
Etat
Etat.
mani.
No.
Dhan.
No.
Etat
Etat
dhanam.
dhanam.
Yes.
Etat dhanam.
Dhanam.
Etad dhanam.
Dhanam.
Very good. Okay. That is a picture. Chitra. Neuter.
Tat chitra.
Chitram.
Tat chitram. Brilliant. You're all geniuses. Okay. She far away is Parvati.
Sa Parvati.
Parvati.
Beautiful.
Parvati.
This is my finger. Anguli.
Sa.
No.
Anguli.
Esa.
Esha. Anguli.
Shi.
Esha mama anguli. Okay.
Sha.
That is your that is your buffalo. Mahishi.
Mahishi.
And we are telling a
Sa
girl.
Sa bhavatyaha
Tyaha
mahishi.
Mahishi.
Sa bhavatyaha
Satya.
mahishi. Okay. That is your elephant. And you're telling that to a girl. Okay. Elephant, gaja.
Sa Bhavatyaha Gajaha. Gaja.
Ha, masculine. Okay. So, saha bhavatyaha
Bhavatya.
gajaha.
Gajaha.
Okay, excellent. Shuka, okay, masculine, shuka, parrot, okay. That is my parrot.
Sa.
Saha. Mama.
Bhavataha Shukaha.
My.
Mama. Mama.
Mama
Shukaha.
Shukaha.
Ah, saha mama shukaha.
Shukaha.
So has everybody got this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, quick question. Saha mama shukaha. Okay. Kaha mama putraha va?
Na.
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 Now
Saha.
सः भवत्याः पुत्रं न पुत्र न
न
पुत्रः न
शुकः
सः शुकः
excellent.
The answer again.
So the answer was na saha bhavatyaha, because I asked, is that my son? So your answer to me would be no, that is not your son, that is a parrot. Okay, so na saha bhavatyaha putraha na saha shukaha.
Okay. Enough for today.
Isn't it? But do you realize that this is just the 4th session and we are actually creating some pretty complex sentences?
Thanks to you, Mataji.
Isn't it? I think that's wonderful. I think you're all just absolute geniuses. No, honestly, you are all so good. Brilliant job. Okay. So any questions? No? Okay.
Not
so
right now. Maybe later, Mataji.
That's
Yeah.
all right. If,
You were
and
right.
yes, if you have questions, feel free to give me a call. Okay? Give me a call and we can talk it over and we can get the answer. We can get it clear in our heads so that, you know, you're not sitting with a wrong thought for a whole week, which means at the end of the week, it's perfectly embedded in your consciousness, in your memory. We don't want that.
Mataji, is this part of the video that you recommended to us to watch?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Is it the early one or the late ones?
This is the first video.
Oh, the
There are
first
40
video.
videos. Excuse me.
Okay. Okay, I will watch. I only watched 10 minutes so far. Sorry.
So the VAR bit is not in the video.
Oh, okay.
No, it is in the video. Sorry, it is in the video. It is in the first video.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, the whole thing is in the first video. All that we've done so far is in the first video. Okay. And what we do next week is also in the first video. So don't watch it and get too confused. If you don't get it, leave it. We can always go back to that later. Okay, the last bit of it. Okay. But
Yes.
whatever we have done is all in that video.
You're giving homework.
Yes, ma'am, there is homework. So there are a few sentences. I'll send that out to you. It's under the notes, okay? So I'll send it out. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, ciao.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Mataji.
you so
Hare
much.
Krishna.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः
बहु बहु धन्यवादः
स्वागतं स्वागतं
Bye.